a new video. Today I'm gonna play Minecraft Lucky Block. Let's go over here. Oh, a real parkour. Ho ho. Today I'm gonna play I'm gonna open some Lucky Blocks. I don't know how many, but if I die, this episode ends. So it can be very short and very long. Let's begin. I think I'm gonna take this one. What's that? It is a TNT sword. What is that? I don't know. But what happens if I'm doing this? I must do it on people. But yeah, let's take this one too. What's happening? Oh no! What happened there? That is how it works. But if you guys want a new part of this, like and subscribe. See ya. Just wait. That was short, very short, because I died for a reason I don't want to do. So I'm doing. Oh no! I'm being attacked in the water. Oh no! Run for my life! I survived. What? I'm picking up something. What is this red? I must do it. Yeah. I mean, that was it for this episode. See you in the next one. If you like this, comment down below what I should do, what challenges, or if you guys want a part 2 of this. Yeah, like and subscribe. Bye.